Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Excellency Sardar Bardy Muhammadov, President of Turkmenistan and Turkmen people. Today is an important date for the Turkmen nation, the 31st anniversary of the Declaration of Independence of Turkmenistan. On the behalf of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of United Arab Emirates, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President, Prime Minister of United Arab Emirates and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Presidential Court, and on my own behalf, I would like to congratulate His Excellency Sardar Bardy Muhammadov, the President of Turkmenistan, and all citizens of Turkmenistan on the Independence Day and wish them success, well-being and prosperity. Turkmenistan pursues foreign policy based on the principle of positive neutrality, peace-loving and beneficial cooperation with all international partners. The United Arab Emirates is one of the first countries who recognized independence of Turkmenistan, and on the 10th of October 1995, Emirati-Turkmen diplomatic relationships were officially established and based on the principle of trust, mutual respect and support. The United Arab Emirates is the fourth trading partner for Turkmenistan, with a bilateral trade turnover which have reached 824 million in 2021. This figure provides the future motivation for both sides to expand bilateral trade relations. Nowadays, the exchange of visits at the level of government delegation is also increasing. On April 29, the Turkmen delegation, headed by Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan Rashid Meridov, visited Abu Dhabi, where His Excellency met with His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of the Presidential Court of the United Arab Emirates, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of United Arab Emirates, Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan. During the last 2 months, His Excellency Suhail Al-Mazrouei, Minister of Energy and Infrastructure of the United Arab Emirates, visited Turkmenistan twice. In July, His Excellency delivered an invitation from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of United Arab Emirates, to Excellency Sardar Bardy Muhammadov to visit the United Arab Emirates. In his second visit, His Excellency Suhail Al-Mazrouei participated in the Ministerial Transport Conference of the landlocked developing countries. During the visit, His Excellency Suhail Al-Mazrouei and His Excellency Rashid Meridov have discussed the cooperation between the two countries in the field of investment, logistics, and renewable energy. I would like to thank His Excellency Qurbanguly Bardy Muhammadov, Chairman of the People Council of Turkmenistan Parliament, for visiting United Arab Emirates in May and expressing his condolences on the loss of the President of the United Arab Emirates, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. I believe that in the future, under wise leadership of His Excellency Sardar Bardy Muhammadov, Turkmenistan will achieve even greater success. UAE and Turkmenistan relationship will continue to develop in the interest of both countries. Once again, I sincerely congratulate the Turkmen government and the Turkmen people. Thank you.